Hey guys, and welcome back to another Savvy Homemade video, and today I'm going to show you how to scent your own incense sticks. For a full list of all the ingredients you'll need, visit our webpage at savvyhomemade.com. Okay, so you're going to want to grab your Tupperware first and your plain unscented incense sticks. Pop them in. Hopefully you'll have a container that's big enough to fit them in, but you can always trim the ends of your incense sticks so they'll fit. Just don't trim them off completely. Okay, so now you're going to need your dipropylene glycol, or DPG, and this is the ingredient which will reduce any and all black smoke. So sometimes when you burn incense sticks, they can smell a bit smoky, and we want to reduce this as much as possible so we can actually smell the lovely fragrance. And now we'll add our fragrance oil. So I am using a combination of jasmine, musk and vanilla. It's just a fragrance mix that I quite like the smell of, but you can use pretty much anything you want. So you're going to want to add that to the container along with your DPG. So once you've added your ingredients, you're going to want to give them a bit of a shake or a bit of a mix, just so you can coat all of your incense sticks and every single one will smell as good as the last. Right, so you're going to want to cover this now with a bit of cling film, just so nothing can evaporate while they're soaking. I would ordinarily leave them for at least 24 hours, just so everything gets soaked into the incense sticks. However, you can leave them for up to a week or even a month if you really want to. But I'd say anything longer than a week, you're not really going to get much benefit. So just put them somewhere not too cold, not too warm, just room temperature. So my incense sticks have been soaking overnight, and now I'm going to take them out to dry. So there's a couple of ways you can do this. I like to use a cooling rack, but you can also use a mug, so a coffee mug, and just stand them up and let sort of the excess oil drip off, but you don't want too much of it to drip off. If you are planning to use a cooling rack like I am here, just make sure you're not using it for anything other than this again, because you don't want to put your cakes on this if you've got bits of dried oil and fragrance oil on it. It's just not a good thing to do. I find, depending on the sticks, some methods of drying are better than others. I just like this method. I just think it works for me, but you can try both. If you're finding it's not drying quick enough, just maybe switch to the other, pop in the coffee mug and let some of that oil drip off into the base of the mug. Sometimes it can take longer to dry depending on where you live. If you live in quite a humid climate, it can take up to a week or two for them to fully dry. If you have quite a warm, dry area of your house, that's probably a good place to pop them, but otherwise just leave them on the side and let them do their thing. So once they're fully dry, you can go ahead and burn them. Always use an incense burner, which you can buy cheaply on Amazon. So in order to use them, just get a lighter, burn the end, and then blow it out. So for more DIY craft and gift ideas, visit savvyhomemade.com.